Nye, the science guy. Bill Nye, the science guy.
That's not supposed to be there. Dude.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the science guy.